Hi, it's PJ again from TreelineUSA.com. I'm excited today to introduce you to the new Thumb portable micromotor. Come check it out. Okay, let me show you why we love this Thumb micromotor. The unit itself is super compact and easy to take around anywhere with you. This is the power supply right here, and on it you've got a dial for the variable speed, which goes from 0 to 30,000 RPM. You have a setting here for forward and reverse, so that can change the direction of the bit depending on if you're right or left-handed. It also has a switch here for a variable or high speed. So in the variable setting, as you turn it on, then you can vary the speed with it, and in the high speed you switch over to that, and once you turn it on, it goes right to the 30,000 RPM. The handpiece itself is super compact, comfortable, ergonomic, and just fits so nicely in your hand. Very, very little vibration, and it comes with an 1/8 inch collet and also with the quick change. So if you want to switch out bits, you take the silver piece right here, turn that until you feel a good hard click, the bit releases, put a new bit in, and lock it in place. It's just that simple. And then if you ever needed to use different shank sizes, sold separately are some collet reducers. So so the 1/8 inch collet comes with it, and if you ever need to use the 3/32 or 1/16 inch shank bits, then just slide the appropriate collet reducer down in, and then that will convert it down. Again, those are sold separately, but they lock in place and work nicely with the Thumb micromotor. It comes with its own cradle for bits, or for the handpiece, so you can slip that down in there when you're not using it, and then you can also adjust this down pretty easily too, depending on how you need it to use. If you didn't want to use the cradle, you can also clip this out, and then the power supply can fit nicely in your pocket or something like that if you wanted to. I'll show you one more thing with this too. It's kind of cool. It has a little clip on the back here, so if you want to clip this onto your belt, that way you can hang it with you and take it anywhere you needed it to go. So let me turn this on and show you just how quiet it is, and how quickly you can remove wood in a very comfortable manner. Okay, right now I've got an 1/8 inch shank carbide bit in there, just a sphere bit, and it's fluted like that, so these cut nice and clean. So let's go ahead and turn this on. And when I turn this on, notice how quiet it still is. Right now we're talking without any video tricks. You can still hear me just fine. And there's very, very little vibration in this tool. Super comfortable use. And watch this as I start taking wood material away. That speed allows me to cut with it without it jerking or wandering away from me. So right now I've got in the variable speed setting. Let's turn it off and go right into the high speed. So I've got the full 30,000 RPM. And notice how that wood just peels right away. You can use more aggressive bits with this too, and the nice thing about the variable speed setting is if it's using a bit and with that particular type of wood and it starts to burn on you, you can just slow it down. But generally speaking, the faster a tool goes, the more control you have over it. So the bit is taking up less material per pass, so you get a lot more control over it. So at 30,000 RPM, that Thumb portable micromotor does a great job of clearing away material. So anyway, that's how you use it. We are really excited to now offer the Thumb portable micromotor at TreelineUSA.com. This is a pretty sweet tool for anybody who needs to or wants to take their carving anywhere they want to go. So it's super portable, compact. The battery lasts for up to 6 to 8 hours, up to 30,000 RPMs. Really, what's not to like about this tool? So to pick up your Thumb micromotor or other power carving supplies, visit us at TreelineUSA.com, and to see more videos like this, click subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.